score good in IELTS, and they want to go for study, they want to go for work and PR. Okay, and we do provide one-on-one classes. We do provide online sessions as well, in case, and we do have the international certified trainers with us. Today, your trainer is Rima Das. She's a corporate trainer and she's a IELTS and English spoken trainer. All right. So we will start first. Prima. So we will start, guys, with the introduction by one. Then we will talk to you to understand your challenges when it comes to English speaking, when you go for a job, when you go for an interview, when you meet new people, and when you interact with the people. What are the challenges which you face in general, and then how you can eliminate these problems so that we can help for you to, so that you can be a fluent speaker, you can get your job, you can get the promotion, and all wherein the communication is required. All right. So Rima is your trainer. So guys, first one by one we will introduce, and I would appreciate if one person is speaking, another person will be on mute. When you're speaking, then you can unmute yourself. Right. So who joined first? Who can go first? Jishan, can you mute the speaker, please? I will mute for you for now. And once again, I would ask this Oppo F1. Who? What is your name? Oppo F1. What is your name? Oppo F1. What is your name?
She's trying to speak, but I think her voice is not clear.
Now you can type the message also. And also, guys, internet connectivity, there should be proper internet at your home Wi-Fi or the normal internet proper bar. Okay. All right, Rima, I'll hand over to you now. And if you need my help, I'll be there. Okay. Okay, guys, please introduce. And okay, we will start with Shubhangi. Shubhangi, you joined us. First, you can introduce yourself. Rima Shubhangi is the one of the member of the 10,000 speaker community. They are the part of the public speaking platform in our office. We share the same premises, and the founding member of this community referred Shubhangi.
Great, very nice. Hi Shubhangi, how are you?
Hello ma'am, how are you? I'm fine.
I'm doing great. So Shubhangi, can I get an introduction from you? A brief introduction?
Okay ma'am. So my name is Shubhangi Upadhyay. I'm from Hathras. This place is located in Uttar Pradesh, and this place is famous for asafoetida, that is we use in cooking, and the famous poet who is Kaka Hathrasi, who was a very famous poet. So this place is generally famous for that also. And if I talk about myself, I'm doing my self-study, but previously I had done my career in the sales representative field, and then I shift to the self-study because of this COVID-19 criteria. And now my hobbies include mimicry, dancing, and I also included my new hobby, that is public speaking. I really like to speak in public and this trait is developing day by day because of my community members, and I was very much scared before speaking in public, but now I am getting so friendly with the people also. This is from my side.
Very nice, Shubhangi. Interesting hobbies, and very nicely said that. Would you like to elaborate a little more that how did you overcome your fear of public speaking? Hello? Shubhangi, are you there? Okay. I think there's some internet issues. All right. So let's talk to Aditi. Hi, Aditi. Aditi, I'm not able to hear you. Can you please unmute? Press the unmute button. Yeah. No. Maybe you can try without the earplugs, like without the earphone. Yeah. Can you speak now?
Yes.
Yes, better. Okay. So Aditi, hi, good evening. Yes, you are audible now. Yes.
Hello, hello, good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Aditi. Good evening. Should I start?
Yes, of course.
Should I? Yes. Okay. Perfect. My name is Aditi Pandey, and I belong to Pink City, Jaipur, Rajasthan. And currently I'm doing my graduation, and I am in BCom final year, and currently I'm preparing for cabin crew. And my father is a businessman, and my hobbies are dancing and singing and painting. I have lot of hobbies, and first of all, I'm interested in doing cabin crew because I want to be in cabin crew, and I'm preparing for cabin crew, and I'm a Franklin student also.
You are a Franklin student.
Franklin
Okay,
student.
that's great. So, Aditi, what are your challenges with this language? Can you elaborate?
Hello.
I didn't get.
What are your
Jish,
challenges with this language? What are the difficulties which you face while speaking in English?
Ma'am,
Aditi, you are again on mute. Can you please unmute?
Hello.
hello. Yes.
Just a minute.
Jishan, your turn. Jishan, your turn will come. Then you can speak. Please mute till then.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes, Aditi. Go ahead.
Ma'am, I'm facing a lot of difficulties in English speaking because I don't have any fluency in English. I can speak English, but I don't have any fluency in English. So I want to be a confident speaker that I can speak in front of public. So because I want to become a cabin crew and I have to speak in front of all people. I want the confidence and fluency.
How often do you speak in English on a daily basis?
Ma'am, I don't speak English on daily, but whenever I go to Franklin, whenever I go to college, I speak there. But at home,
You
because
don't. Okay.
our environment is.
All right. So, Aditi, first of all, I want to tell you that you are a good speaker. Okay. You are actually quite confident in what you are saying right now. But I'm sure if I ask you something in between, or if I start having a conversation with you, a long, lengthy conversation, you will definitely face difficulties because you are not in practice, right? So we have to overcome this problem only by practice. Okay. The more you practice speaking English, the more you know the words and phrases. I can also see there are some grammatical issues, the errors which you're making, like you add s to everything. Okay. Then maybe your ers and those are not in proper place. Okay. So we need to also revise grammar a little bit so that you don't make all these grammatical errors, right? Yeah. But don't worry, don't underestimate yourself. You are quite a good, you are quite good with this language. There's not to worry, but you need to practice. Okay. You're not too bad. Okay. Right. All right. So Nisha, hi. Nisha, are you there? Can you unmute, Nisha? Aditi, you can mute yourself now. Nisha Sharma, can you please unmute and speak? All right. Let's talk to SK. Who is this SK? Can you please unmute? Yes. Hi, SK. Can you please tell me your name? SK, am I audible to you? Okay. Sanjana, are you there? Sanjana? Hi, Sanjana. Good evening. Hi.
Hello everyone.
मैम मेरा आवाज आपको सुनाई नहीं पड़ रहा क्या?
Sanjana, is this you?
No, it's not me actually.
Okay. SK, मुझे आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही थी. अभी
मैम
आ रही है.
आपको आ रही है?
हाँ, अभी आ रही है. क्या नाम है आपका?
स्वीटी कुमारी.
Pretty?
स्वीटी कुमारी.
Sweetie. Okay. Sweetie Kumari. Sweetie, then just wait for some time. Let me finish with Sanjana. Okay, I'll come back to you.
Okay,
Then.
ma'am.
Okay, right. Sanjana, yes. Can you
Yes,
please
hello
unmute now?
everyone. Am I audible?
Sanjana, go
Yes,
ahead.
Sanjana, go ahead. Yes, Sanjana, you go ahead, please.
Okay. Hello everyone. Good evening.
Good evening. Yes.
My name is Sanjana and I am actually a 12 pass out student. Right now I'll be pursuing my TY this year and my hobbies are to play football. I'm actually a football player, and even I am a student from Frankfurt, from Ghatkopar. I live in Mumbai, and my hobbies are to read novels, a lot of novels, and even to play football, and even I love listening music.
Very nice. Good.
Yeah.
So, Sanjana, what is your difficulty with this language? What do you want to improve?
Actually, my difficulties are like I have a very bad stage fear. Even though some like I've got a lot of comments and lot of compliments from others that I am a good speaker.
Sanjana, you are mute. You're on mute.
Hello, now I'm audible.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So my fear is that I have a very bad stage fear. Actually, the thing is, I get the compliments that I do speak nicely and I can overcome through like all the difficulties. But the thing is, whenever I come to someone bigger than me or someone respected than me, so I face a lot of problems to. I just lack confidence there. So that is the difficulty, and somehow I want to make myself fluent. That's why.
Okay, right. So, Sanjana, even I feel that you are a nice, speaker. Your English language skills are quite good. You have a little bit of accent as well. But I can see that you are making small mistakes, small errors, like you add S to everything, like you said, I likes. Okay. So
Yeah.
that is not the correct thing to say, right? But however, you will be able to manage. But the thing which you're saying that you are very underconfident, and whenever you see someone better than you in front of you, you get nervous, right? So these are psychological issues which you're facing, okay? And these basically stop you from exploring yourself, you're exploring your skills, right? So what you need to do is just, without thinking all these things, whenever you get a chance to speak, have faith, have confidence, and start speaking. It will be great if you can join this 10,000 speakers community, as we have Shubhangi here, right? This is a great platform because, as she said that earlier, she was also scared, right? In front, like
Yeah.
to speak in front of public. So you need a similar kind of a platform where you need to speak on a daily basis, okay, in front of people whom you don't know. Because the more you speak in front of strangers, you get more confidence, and of course, you don't know what kind of question will come from that side, right? So your presence of mind also improves, and when you have to answer, when you have to go with the flow in the conversation, that way you are actually practicing and you are becoming better. Okay. Also, you need to learn a lot of things, like how to have business communications, how to do better, impressive, how to make your speech impressive. All these things needs to be learned. So you need to first throw away all these things from your head, that you are underconfident, or maybe the person in front of you is good. Every time, whosoever we meet, everyone has their own skill set. And yes, a lot of people can speak in English very fluently. That doesn't mean that you will stop because of them, right? Rather, you should be encouraged by looking at them, that okay, they are speaking very nicely, I should also try to speak with them. Maybe while speaking to them, I will improve my English, right? Because people use different kind of vocabulary, words, and everything. So it helps you. It is a motivation factor for you. Don't think that you are inferior. Okay. So this is psychological thing. You are the only person who can get rid of this. Okay. But yes, if you start speaking on a daily basis, and if you start interacting with people whom you don't know, and start giving monologues and talking for like taking part in debates and conversations, it will definitely boost your confidence and build that confidence inside you. Okay. That's what you need to do, and this platform will definitely help you with that. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much,
Sure.
Sanjana. Yes. Yes, what are you saying?
Nothing. Thanks.
Okay. So, yes, we will definitely help you with this, Sanjana. Be on call. Okay. Let me finish the introductions from the rest of the people. So, yeah, Nisha. Okay. SK. SK, yes. Sweetie. Sweetie. Good evening, Sweetie. Hi. Please give your introduction. Sweetie, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Hello.
Yes.
Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening.
I am Sweetie Kumari. I am in Ranchi.
Okay.
मैम मुझे आता नहीं उतना अच्छे से बोलना.
Try करो, कोई बात नहीं, ट्राई करो, क्या घबराने वाली बात है, कुछ नहीं कहेगा कोई, आप ट्राई करो, जितना आता है, इंट्रोडक्शन पता है ना, अपने बारे में बोलना है तो बोलो.
Okay, ma'am. I am
बोलो.
studying now BSc IT
Right.
from YSM CVS.
Okay. Good.
My hobby is exercise, some exercise and games, playing games, etc.
Okay. Who all are there in your family, sweetie?
I am joint family. I am in joint family. So many people.
Okay. बोलो, बोलो, try करो. See, if you don't speak, sweetie, then you will not be able to learn this. आपको
Yes,
बोलना
ma'am.
पड़ेगा. आपने अभी तक इंट्रोडक्शन सुनी है ना 2-3 लोगों की. So try
Yes,
करो.
ma'am.
Just try to imitate them. You're doing good.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
आप स्वीटी अपने बारे में बताओ. लाइक यू से आई विल ट्रांसलेट फॉर यू. आप हिंदी में बताओ. हु ऑल आर इन योर फैमिली? आपकी फैमिली में कौन है? लाइक योर मदर, फादर, ब्रदर, सिस्टर, और हाउ मेनी मेंबर यू हैव?
हम लोग जॉइंट फैमिली से बिलोंग करते हैं. आई एम बिलोंगिंग जॉइंट फैमिली.
You belong from the joint family. Okay, you belong to a joint family. You say I belong to a joint family.
I belongs to a
I
joint.
belong to a joint
I belong to a
joint family. Yes, yes. How many member you have?
25 members.
Okay, no. I mean, in your family, like 4, 5, 6, then the others, I can understand the joint family, but in your real members are like your brother, your real brother, your mother, sister, like 5, 6, 7?
My brother's one, and I am 2 sisters.
Okay.
So you are like 5 members, 2 sisters and you and mother, father, right? Perfect.
Yes.
You can say that I have 5 members. All right, perfect. And you said you're doing BSc. And tell us to Rima about your hobbies also. आपको क्या पसंद है? Like you like singing, you watching movie, reading novels, playing.
Exercise and playing games,
Perfect.
watching videos, different.
So you can say my hobbies is exercise, workout, and playing different video games. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Okay. So, sweetie, definitely आप एक beginner level के candidate हो. आपकी
Yes.
पढ़ाई भी हिंदी मीडियम में हुई है?
मैम आई एम जैक बोर्ड. 10th तक मेरा जैक बोर्ड था. 10th नहीं 12th तक. उसके बाद फिर
कौन सा बोर्ड था?
जैक.
Okay, I'm not aware of this Jack board. All right. English में पढ़ाई होती थी, हिंदी में पढ़ाई होती थी? हिंदी में ना. वही हिंदी मीडियम में पढ़े हो आप बेसिक से ही, इसी वजह से आपकी इंग्लिश थोड़ी वीक है. राइट. सो यू नीड टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम वेरी बिगिनिंग स्वीटी. आपको बिल्कुल बेसिक से, क्योंकि ग्रामर जो है, ग्रामर बिल्ड्स योर सेंटेंसेस. राइट. अगर आपको ग्रामर नहीं पता, वर्ड्स नहीं पता, टेंसेस नहीं पता, तो फिर आप अपने सेंटेंसेस प्रॉपर्ली बोल नहीं पाओगे. एंड अगर आप सेंटेंसेस बोल नहीं पाओगे तो ऑब्वियसली आप कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं कर पाओगे. राइट. सो वी विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू विद दैट स्वीटी, डोंट वरी. ठीक है. सारा कुछ आपको सिखाया जाएगा प्लेटफॉर्म पे, एंड यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस अ लॉट. ओके. अगर कुछ चीज सीखनी है उसके लिए आपको बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. रोज दिन में आप इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर्स पढ़ते हो? कुछ रीडिंग में हॉबी है आपकी? रीडिंग पढ़ते हो आप?
some stories.
Some story books? Okay. Right. So this is a good thing.
Not a regular.
So make it regular from now onwards. आज से ही रेगुलर हो जाओ. अगर आपके पास बुक्स नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, आपके पास गूगल तो है. राइट. गूगल पे जाके अगर आप सर्च करोगे इंग्लिश स्टोरीज, ठीक है, तो आपको बहुत सारे लिंक्स मिल जाएंगे जिसके अंदर जाके आप छोटे छोटे आर्टिकल्स या छोटी छोटी स्टोरीज पढ़ सकते हो. ठीक है. डेली बेसिस में एक एक स्टोरी पढ़ो, और स्टोरी पढ़ के सिर्फ छोड़ना नहीं है, उनके अंदर की वोकैबुलरी, जो वर्ड्स है जो आपको लगता है कि आपको नहीं समझ आए या थोड़े डिफिकल्ट है, उनको कहीं एक डायरी में या कॉपी में नोट करना स्टार्ट करो, ठीक है। एंड
Yes, ma'am.
डेफिनेटली यू नीड टू जॉइन अ प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर यू गेट नॉलेज, ठीक है, क्योंकि आपको बेसिक से पढ़ना है, बिगिनर्स लेवल से पढ़ना है, तो ग्रामर आनी चाहिए, ग्रीटिंग्स आनी चाहिए, इंट्रोडक्शन आनी चाहिए। अभी आप जैसे इंट्रोडक्शन नहीं कर पा रहे हो, राइट, तो ये सारी
Yes,
चीजें
ma'am.
आपको आनी चाहिए, ओके। फॉर दैट वी विल हेल्प यू, ओके सोनी, ओके
Okay,
स्वीटी,
ma'am.
राइट, ग्रेट। जस्ट कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग एंड डोंट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ स्पीकिंग। हमेशा बात करनी है, चाहे गलत बोलो चाहे सही बोलो, पर बोलो, दैट इज द
Okay,
मेन
ma'am.
की, ठीक है, ग्रेट। ऑल राइट स्वीटी, यू कैन म्यूट योरसेल्फ नाउ। ऑल राइट, जीशान, आर यू देयर?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Zishan, are you there? Hey Zishan, can you please unmute?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Hello.
Hi Zishan, good evening. Please introduce
Good
yourself.
evening, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
very
I'm
good
Zishan
evening.
Khan. I'm 22. I'm 22-year-old. I'm from Jaipur. Ma'am, I have done my HSC from Ajmer Board, Rajasthan, and
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm pursuing my BHM degree from UI Global Jaipur.
Okay,
Ma'am, there are
BHM, Total Management.
BHM. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. All right, what else?
And ma'am, there are 4 persons live in my family. My mother and my 2 sisters. Both are my sisters, younger to me, ma'am.
Okay,
And if I talk about my hobbies, ma'am, I love traveling to and food.
you love?
I love to traveling.
I love to travel.
Travel.
Hmm. Okay,
And I like food.
you love food.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can say, I love to travel and I'm a big foodie.
I'm big foodie.
Yes,
I
okay.
have to lot
Yes,
different
ma'am.
foods. Yeah.
Okay, so great, Zishan. Now, can you talk about your challenges with this language? What are the problems which you face?
Ma'am, I'm facing fluency in English problem. First one is, ma'am.
Fluency,
Yes, ma'am. And second one is pronunciation. I'm not a
pronunciation.
yes, मैं proper बोल नहीं पाता हूँ, मतलब कोई word आता है ना उसको अच्छे से.
Studies हिंदी मीडियम में करी है?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So और डेली बेसिस में कितना इंग्लिश में बात करते हो निशान?
मैम बात तो नहीं करता क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं है कि मैं वहाँ बात कर सकूँ.
Okay, right. So that is
So
one of your major needs right now. You
yes,
have
ma'am.
to come into a practice of speaking in English, right?
Yes,
Every
ma'am.
day when you start speaking in English, you learn things, okay, you practice them. So उससे क्या होगा? You will get into a regularity, okay, and you will start speaking. And once you start speaking, उसके बाद आप धीरे धीरे सीखना भी चालू हो जाओगे, आपकी pronunciation clear हो जाएगी, आपकी fluency आ जाएगी. You will know कि बात करनी क्या है, what to speak, where to speak, what vocabulary to use, right? So all these things need to be learned, right? But
Yes,
apart
ma'am.
from that, what do you do for your self learning? Have you ever tried to do something for this problem? You already know ना कि ये आपकी problem है, तो आपने इसको overcome करने के लिए कुछ किया है?
मैम एक्चुअली में क्या कोई गलती निकालने वाला कोई नहीं है तो हो नहीं रहा है सर वो नहीं.
Right, that's completely true. So this is a fact, guys, that you can learn, you can do a lot of self learning, but there has to be a mentor in your life who can tell you whether this is right or wrong, correct?
Yes,
So
yes, ma'am.
who can give you the knowledge like a teacher does, right? That's why our platform is helpful to you. You will get a lot of knowledge as well as you will get a chance to speak, okay, in the class, जो आपको डेली बेसिस में चांस नहीं मिलता है क्योंकि आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ आप इंग्लिश में बात नहीं कर सकते हो, योर पेरेंट्स डजंट टॉक इन इंग्लिश, सो दैट्स व्हाई आपकी प्रैक्टिस हो नहीं पाती है. सो हियर इन द क्लासेस यू कैन टॉक इन इंग्लिश विद योर टीचर, with your team members, everyone. So you will be speaking in English, that will bring you back into the practice. So what we need is we need an environment, okay? Every
Yes,
kind of
ma'am.
learning needs an environment wherein you do things on a regular basis, and when you do things on a regular basis, definitely you will improve, okay? But
Right,
you
ma'am.
need to practice a lot because learning a language is not easy. things can be in your head, but from your head it should come to your mouth, and that thing will come only when you speak on a regular basis. दिमाग में वर्ड्स रहता है, हमको पता है कि हमें बोलना क्या है, पर जैसे ही बोलने लगते हैं प्रोनाउंसिएशन प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, फ्लुएंसी नहीं आती, या फिर वो वर्ड हम बोलते बोलते अटक जाते हैं. वो क्यों होता है? क्योंकि यू द थिंग्स आर इन योर हेड. आपने उसको कभी बोलने की प्रैक्टिस नहीं करी. आपको लगता था कि मुझे आता है, मैं बोल लूंगा, पर जब रियल लाइफ इंस्टेंस आता है और आप बोलने लगते हो, यू फंबल. ओके, दैट इज द
Yes, ma'am.
रीजन. सो यू नीड टू एवरी टाइम यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस टू स्पीक. दिमाग में नहीं, जोर जोर से, अलाउड. ओके, यू नीड टू स्पीक अलाउड, यू नीड टू टॉक इन फ्रंट ऑफ मिरर एंड स्पीक. जितना चाहिए उतना बात करो. दैट्स इट. दैट्स व्हाट यू विल need to do, and that is what will improve you. Okay, Zishan?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay, I'll come back to you again. Thank you so much for your introduction.
Thank you, ma'am.
We have Mona here. Hi, Mona.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, Mona. Good evening.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening.
Introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Manisha. I'm from Mumbai. I'm pursuing my TY BCom. Recently, I'm looking for cabin crew training and all, but I got a call from this here. That's why I'm looking here for more information and all.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
What about your introduction, Manisha?
Yes, sir.
But introduce yourself. What about your introduction? I understand that you got a call that you wanted to join in this meeting platform.
Yeah.
Tell us something about yourself, like your
Yeah.
city, about your qualification, more about you.
Yes. I love drawing. I love to dance, and just that's it. I'm
okay.
really I don't have confidence to speak in front of people. I'm really scared to speak.
Okay. Okay. Again, same problem. So, all right.
Sanjana, she told same as my problem.
Okay. So you wanna try for cabin crew, right?
Yeah,
And
same.
I see maximum of the people either they are into hotel management or they are into cabin crew. Okay,
Yeah.
so they will want to become cabin crew, and both the industries needs fluent speakers
Yes.
and strong personality, right? So English is one of the major things which you should have, a major skill. Okay, because even in hotel industry you need to communicate with a lot of clients on a daily basis, right? Similarly, for cabin crew you will come across a lot of people whom you need to attend, and you should have an impressive speech. You should have a very nice strong personality in order to you know excel your field basically, right? So English is one of the
Yes.
main skills. And अगर आपको ये fear है that you can't speak in public, then you cannot become a cabin crew. How will you become a cabin crew अगर आप लोगों के साथ बात ही नहीं कर पाओगे सबके सामने वहां पे,
Yeah.
right? So what is your exact problem? क्यों डर लगता है? चलो डर लगता है, मुझे समझ आ गया. ये तो साइकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम है कि डर लगता है. कोई
Yeah.
भी चीज पहली बार करना है तो डर तो लगेगा ही, बट क्यों लगता है? क्या आपकी इंग्लिश खराब है? Your fluency, you have a fluency problem. You can't create sentences. Whenever you try to talk, the words doesn't come to your mind or something like that. Do you face such kind of problems? Do you
No.
lack vocabulary?
No, but I'm feel less confidence to speak. I feel shy.
You have less confidence. You're shy. Okay, guys, can you please mute? All right. So the profession which you have chosen doesn't have any space for shyness, lack of confidence, or anything like that. Okay.
Okay.
Now, confidence कब आएगा? When you have knowledge, and when you have knowledge, you will definitely become confident, right? So as of now, I feel why why do you have lack of confidence is because you don't have the proper practice of English. You don't speak on a regular basis. You don't know what exactly are the problems in you, whether you make grammatical errors, whether you cannot think of proper structure, sentences, vocabulary, etc. Okay, I think you don't know your problem as of now, but you only know that you are shy, you are underconfident. Okay, So
Yeah.
इसके पीछे का मेजर रूट कॉज है कि नॉलेज की कमी है, इन्वायरमेंट की कमी है, प्रैक्टिस की कमी है. ओके,
Yes,
सो
ma'am.
लर्निंग अ लैंग्वेज इज नथिंग, इट्स जस्ट दैट आपको एवरीडे बेसिस पे इस लैंग्वेज को एक्सप्लोर करना है. द मोर यू एक्सप्लोर दिस लैंग्वेज, the more you observe people talking in English, the more you read English stuffs, the more you speak, listen, you will get fluent with it. But yes, at the same point of time, you need a mentor who can give you the knowledge, who can also give you the feedbacks, who can also correct you if you're making any kind of mistake or not, and a platform where you can speak in English. Because again, the same thing, we cannot talk in front of our family members, we cannot talk to our friends. Nobody appreciates when we talk in English because everyone is comfortable in their own comfort zone, right? We all are comfortable to speak in Hindi, English, Bengali, Marathi, right? So we prefer those languages. We don't want to complicate things, that's why we keep English aside. But when it comes to a profession, it becomes a very major necessity, right? Profession जब भी बात आती है, इंटरव्यू जाना है या जॉब लेनी है, केबिन क्रू बनना है, होटल मैनेजमेंट लाइन में जाना है या कुछ भी, ठीक है, करियर में आगे बढ़ना है, प्रमोशन लेनी है, तो इंग्लिश तो आनी चाहिए. अगर आपको इंग्लिश आएगी तो आप देखोगे कि people who usually speak in English, they are very confident and they have a very strong personality. वो कैसे आता है? वो कॉन्फिडेंस से आता है, और उनकी इंग्लिश जो होती है वो काफी अच्छी होती है और नेचुरल होती है. डू नॉट ट्राई टू फेक योर इंग्लिश, ठीक है? ट्राई विद बेसिक नॉर्मल एक्सेंट विच यू हैव, नॉर्मल वर्ड्स. डू नॉट ट्राई टू लुक फॉर बिजनेस इंग्लिश वर्ड्स और समथिंग, ठीक है? बिकॉज यू नीड टू टेक स्मॉल स्टेप्स. जब आपको बेसिक क्लियर होगा तब आप धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ सकते हो. पर अगर आपका बेसिक ही क्लियर नहीं है तो आप जितना मर्जी बोल लो, वो इम्प्रेशन आपका बनेगा नहीं, राइट? So that is what you lack, and definitely you should speak more. Everyone, you should speak more. Okay, so knowledge is definitely a problem. अगर आपके पास knowledge है तो धीरे धीरे देखना आपको confidence भी अपने आप ही आएगा, क्योंकि आपको पता होगा मुझे क्या बोलना है, right? आपको words पता होंगे, आपको script पता होगा, तो आप automatically बात कर सकोगे, correct? All
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
ठीक है Manisha, thank you so much
Thank
for
you,
your intro.
ma'am.
I hope I have done the intro with everyone else. Anybody left here? Anybody left? No, right?
Hello.
No, Prachi left. Hi, Prachi. Good evening, Prachi. You need to introduce also. Rima, we have Prachi Gupta with us. And hi, Prachi, please introduce to Rima.
Hi, good morning. Yeah, good evening. I'm really sorry.
No problem. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
actually, hi, I'm from UP, but live in Bangalore. I'm going here, and actually, I have a lack of speaking, so I joined this classes. So I joined.
I really missed her. What was she saying? There was a lot of
Yeah, voice, there was
disturbance.
some disturbance of the voice. Can you say it again? I heard you're from Bangalore.
Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, Prachi.
Can
Can
you
you
hear
please
me?
repeat? Yes, but there's a lot of disturbance and your voice is breaking in between.
Let me check first.
So I
No problem.
understand you're from Bangalore, right?
Yeah.
What do you
Actually,
do?
I'm from UP, but I'm in Bangalore with my friends, and I do events here. Like I have some speaking problem in communication, so I thought I joined classes, and
Right.
yeah, I love travel, and I joined English sector, but I have spoken problem, so I couldn't join.
Hmm.
I think it is enough.
Okay, right. Okay, Prachi. So what is the major problem with this language?
Yeah, actually, in my mind, I create some words to speak in fluent. That's the main problem.
Okay, so vocabulary is your problem, you're saying.
Vocabulary.
Okay, Prachi, thank you so much. Right. So all of you heard each other, right? And as of now, you all know that everyone has a similar kind of problem, right? So
Yeah.
the people who speak really nicely, they also have some kind of a problem, and the people who are really beginners, they also have problem with this language, right? So problem is there. Now, the only thing why you have this problem is lack of environment. Okay, you are not just practice. If you are in practice, then definitely this problem will go away slowly and steadily. All right. So I can see there is a lot of problem in giving introductions also, right? So let's talk about how to improve our introductions, because every time I talk to people, either they just stop by after saying that my name is XYZ and I am pursuing this.
Absolutely. Yeah, only Shubhangi and Sanjana and Aditi could give good introduction today.
Yes.
Which we observed. Aditi was good, Shubhangi of course good. Sanjana also gave the introduction. But other people got confused. Somebody started with hobby, somebody started with family. So I think there's some energy was missing. There is no impression. Nobody would like them if they will give the introduction like this. So they should, talk about the strength, education, experience, city, and should be more interesting.
Right.
Once you add few interesting, then only it will happen. Yeah. Yep.
Basically, introduction क्यों देते हैं हम लोग? हमें introduction देना है. This is our first impression when we are making what we are making in front of a stranger. So I am particularly a stranger to you, right? हम एक दूसरे को नहीं जानते, हम पहली बार मिल रहे हैं. So when I say please introduce yourself, that means you have to give your introduction in a way that you make your first impression. And have you heard of the phrase that first impression is the last impression? Right? तो अगर आपका पहला impression ही इतना dull, आधा अधूरा, incomplete होगा, तो do you think आगे आपसे कोई बात करने में interested होगा? नहीं. आपको job देने में interested होगा? नहीं. Right? So introduction is something which has to be very strong. Okay? Very nice. Okay? So how can we give our introduction? First is energy. A lot of people don't have energy in their voice, and second thing is don't speak like a robot. I can see a lot of people जिन्होंने रट्टा मार लिया होता है. Okay, my name is Reema Das. I am from Chandigarh. I have done my BA. I have been working with XYZ company, and my hobbies are playing football, playing cricket, and etc. अगर आप ऐसे बोलोगे तो क्या आपको कनेक्शन बैठेगा सामने वाले के साथ? राइट? नहीं बैठेगा. सो कॉन्वर्सेशन क्या है? टॉकिंग इन इंग्लिश क्या है? इट्स नॉट जस्ट कि आप अकेले बात कर रहे हो. आप जब भी एक कॉन्वर्सेशन करते हो तो यू आर ऑलवेज कनेक्टिंग टू समवन बिकॉज समवन एल्स इज लिसनिंग टू यू, राइट? एंड वो क्यों लिसन कर रहा है, आपको क्यों सुन रहा है? क्योंकि वो आपसे कॉन्वर्सेशन करना चाहता है, वो आपसे बातें करना चाहता है, राइट? एंड उसको आगे बढ़ाना है हमको, जैसे हम हिंदी में करते हैं, राइट? तो अगर आप इंट्रोडक्शन ऐसे दोगे तो अगला बंदा भी इंटरेस्टेड नहीं होगा. सो यू फर्स्ट, आपका जो स्टेप होता है उसी में ही आप लोग फेल हो जाते हो, करेक्ट? सो फर्स्ट थिंग, हैव अ पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड. सेकंड इज ऑलवेज स्माइल व्हाइल यू स्पीक. ओके. थर्ड थिंग इज हैव सम एनर्जी इन योर वॉइस, बट मॉडरेट एनर्जी. ऐसा नहीं है कि चीख चीख के बात करना, मॉडरेट एनर्जी होनी चाहिए, ठीक है? एंड यू स्टार्ट विद सेइंग, टेलिंग योर नेम. ओके. फर्स्ट थिंग, कैसे बोलोगे आप लोग सब? जिसको बिल्कुल भी नहीं आती और जिसको आती है ये उनके लिए भी बेटर है, जस्ट एक बार रिवीजन हो जाएगा, राइट? लेट्स टॉक अबाउट गिविंग इंट्रोडक्शंस. सो हम बोल सकते हैं, वेल माय नेम इज रीमा और माय नेम इज रीमा दास. वी ऑलवेज फर्स्ट गिव आवर इंट्रोडक्शन, फुल नेम इंट्रोडक्शन में, राइट? तो हम बोलेंगे माय नेम इज रीमा दास, यू कैन कॉल मी रीमा. तो ये जो यू कैन कॉल मी रीमा है, कई बारी कुछ लोगों के नाम समझ नहीं आते हैं, जैसे कि कई बारी लोगों के नाम चित्तरंजन सेन, तो बहुत बारी नहीं समझ आएगा कि क्या बोला, ठीक है? तो जस्ट टू शॉर्टन इट अप, और मे बी इफ यू हैव अ निकनेम यू कैन जस्ट से दैट माय नेम इज चित्तरंजन सेन, यू कैन कॉल मी XYZ. कुछ भी एक नाम दे दो, अपना निकनेम दे सकते हो. या फिर सिंपल, अगर आप चाहते हो कि कोई आपको अपने फुल नेम से ना बुलाए, फर्स्ट नेम से बुलाए, तो आप बोल सकते हो, वेल माय नेम इज रीमा दास, यू कैन कॉल मी रीमा. दिस इज योर फर्स्ट स्टेप, okay, in every kind of introduction. Second step क्या होगा? You have to tell from where you are coming, right? कहाँ से आप belong करते हो. So there can be many scenarios in this. A person may be residing in Delhi and born and brought up in Delhi, right? तो आपको दोनों चीजें एक साथ बोलने की जरूरत नहीं. आप सिंपल बोल सकते हो that I am from Delhi, ठीक है? But अगर आप born कहीं और हुए हो, brought up कहीं और हुए हो, तो आप कैसे बोल सकते हो? I was born in UP and currently I am residing in Bangalore, right? So that is how you introduce yourself and the city and country where you are in, right? Country बोलने की अभी जरूरत नहीं है because all of us are from India. It is very evident, right? But if you are somewhere else, okay, like you are in abroad and you are giving your introduction to someone who is foreigner, right? उनके सामने आपको क्या बोलना है? Well, I belong to India from a city called Delhi, right? So that is how you give your introduction and say your, where you actually are coming from, correct? Next step. इसके बाद क्या हो सकता है? इसके बाद अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको अपनी एज बतानी चाहिए तो बताओ, otherwise you can totally skip your age. A lot of times people generally tell that well I am 20. जो लोग freshers होते हैं उनको ये सारी चीजें बोलनी होती है क्योंकि उनके पास इंट्रोडक्शन में देने के लिए ज्यादा कुछ होता नहीं है, ठीक है? But people who are experienced, they have a lot to speak, so they can skip this age wala part. They don't have to say this. Simple. Let's come to the fourth step. You talk about your family, right? But you don't give a lot of information about your family. You just give short information like, I belong to a joint family. There are 25 members in my family. However, my own family consists of 5 members, me, my parents, my 3 siblings. Okay, so you don't have to say my brother, my sister, my younger sister. Siblings बोल दोगे तो चलेगा. Okay, that is your vocabulary. Okay, अगर आपसे उसके बाद पूछा जाता है कि कौन है आपके सिबलिंग्स, यंग है, ओल्डर है, क्या है, तब आप उनको थोड़ा डिटेल में बताओगे. अदरवाइज यू कैन सिंपली से वेल आई कम फ्रॉम अ जॉइंट फैमिली और अ न्यूक्लियर फैमिली. जो लोग अलग से छोटा फैमिली जिनका होता है वो न्यूक्लियर फैमिली बोलेंगे, राइट? एंड जस्ट से दैट देयर आर 4 मेंबर्स इन माय फैमिली, माय पेरेंट्स एंड माय सिबलिंग. और अगर एक ही भाई बहन है तो आप बोलोगे अ यंगर सिबलिंग और अ एल्डर सिबलिंग, ठीक है? सो आपको ये बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है मी, माय पेरेंट्स एंड दिस. ऑब्वियसली आपकी फैमिली में आप हो, दैट इज क्वाइट एविडेंट, राइट? एंड नेवर से माय फादर, माय मदर, always say my parents. Okay, so that is how you give your fourth step. Coming to the next one, इसके बाद आप क्या बोलोगे? Now if you are a working professional, so always start with your work experience. इससे पहले आप education background बता सकते हो, ठीक है? Otherwise education को बाद में भी बता सकते हो. ये depends on what kind of introduction you are giving. अगर आप interview में हो तो education बताना जरूरी है पहले, ठीक है? So let's consider fifth step as education. So आप जब education बताते हो तो आप हमेशा कैसे बोलोगे? I completed, अगर complete कर लिया है, I completed my BA in 2010, ठीक है? So एक लाइन में सारा एजुकेशन का बता दिया आपने. उसके नीचे जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. ऑलवेज गिव योर हायर एजुकेशन, जो लास्ट एजुकेशन आपने करी थी, ठीक है? अगर आप परस्यू कर रहे हो, अगर आप अभी हो बीए कर रहे हो, बीकॉम कर रहे हो, कुछ भी परस्यू कर रहे हो, तो आप बोलोगे वेल आई कंप्लीटेड माय सेकेंडरी, हायर सेकेंडरी और समथिंग फ्रॉम दिस XYZ स्कूल इन द ईयर दिस, एंड करेंटली आई एम परस्यूइंग माय ग्रेजुएशन और आई एम इन बीकॉम, ठीक है? फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकेंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर. अगर आपको स्पेसिफाई करना है तो ग्रेजुएशन नहीं बोलोगे, अपना स्ट्रीम बताओगे. और अगर आपको स्पेसिफाई नहीं करना तो आप बोलोगे वेल आई एम करेंटली परस्यूइंग माय ग्रेजुएशन एंड आई एम इन सेकेंड ईयर, फर्स्ट ईयर, थर्ड ईयर, जिस भी ईयर में, ठीक है? अगर आपने ग्रेजुएशन कर ली है और आप मास्टर्स अभी कर रहे हो तो आप बोल सकते हो आई कंप्लीटेड माय बीकॉम इन ईयर 2019 एंड करेंटली आई एम परस्यूइंग माय मास्टर्स इन होटल मैनेजमेंट और मास्टर्स इन, किसमें आप मास्टर्स कर रहे हो? HR समथिंग, ठीक है? एक स्पेसिफिक स्ट्रीम होता है ना जिसमें आप मास्टर्स करते हो, अकाउंटिंग, तो वो चीज आप बोलोगे, ठीक है? सो द वर्ड्स आर परस्यूइंग, कंप्लीटेड, करेंटली. ये सारे वर्ड्स वोकैबुलरी के आपको यूज करने होते हैं व्हेन यू गिव योर इंट्रोडक्शन. नाउ कमिंग टू योर वर्क एक्सपीरियंस. जिसके पास वर्क एक्सपीरियंस है वो हमेशा अपने लेटेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस से स्टार्ट करेगा. एंड सिर्फ इतना बोल के नहीं छोड़ना है कि आई एम वर्किंग विद XYZ कंपनी, ठीक है? आप क्या वर्क कर रहे हो, क्या काम करते हो आप वहां पे, क्या डेजिग्नेशन है आपकी, वो बताना भी बहुत जरूरी है. बिकॉज दिस इज योर इंट्रोडक्शन. यू आर गिविंग अवे ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट योरसेल्फ इन ऑर्डर टू मेक इट वेरी क्लियर फॉर द अदर पर्सन, ताकि वो आपको अच्छे से जान सके. दैट इज द पर्पस ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन, राइट? सो पर्पस हमेशा ध्यान में रख के अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देना है. तो आप अगर बोलते हो कि वेल currently I am working with HCL as a software engineer, okay, from past 5 years, ठीक है? तो जितने भी टाइम से आप वर्क कर रहे हो वो बताओगे, पहले कंपनी का नाम, डेजिग्नेशन, फिर कितने टाइम से आप वहां पे काम कर रहे हो. अगर इससे पहले आपने कहीं पे काम किया है तो आप बोलोगे prior to this I have also worked with Tech Mahindra for 2 years as a analyst, okay? And before that I have also worked with XYZ company as a XYZ for this much period of time, ठीक है. So basically अगर 4-5, बहुत सारे लोगों के पास 4-5-6 experiences होते हैं, तो start with your current, then go to the second, the second latest one, उसके बाद बाकी की सारी स्टार्ट करनी, ठीक है. तो जब नीचे नीचे और जाते रहते हो ना आप अपने एक्सपीरियंस को लेके, तो यू डोंट हैव टू गिव मोर डिटेल अबाउट इट, बिकॉज जो आपने कर चुका है उसकी जरूरत नहीं है, उसका जस्ट आप कंपनी नेम और डेजिग्नेशन दे दोगे तो भी चलेगा. पर लेटेस्ट जो आप बात करते हो उसका थोड़ा सा रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अगर आप समझा दोगे, कि अगर आप बोलते हो आई एम अ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर, तो जस्ट बता दो कि व्हाट डू यू टेक केयर ऑफ, राइट. सो मान लो अगर आप बोलते हो कि वेल आई एम वर्किंग विद ओशनरिंग इंटरनेशनल and I'm working as an HR manager. I take care of the recruitments and the employee engagements in my company, right? तो उससे क्या समझ आता है कि आपकी roles and responsibility क्या है HR के अंडर, ठीक है, मतलब आप काम क्या करते हो. तो this kind of an information is a very fruitful information which you are giving away to the other person. उससे समझ आता है कि आप लोग करते क्या हो, आपका क्या expertise है, वो सब चीजें समझ आ जाती है, right? So अगर कोई fresher है, तो फ्रेशर के पास ऑफ कोर्स एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, तो वो क्या बात कर सकता है, अपनी एजुकेशन में उनका मेजर क्या था, माइनर क्या था, राइट. दैट आई एम परस्यूइंग माय ग्रेजुएशन, आई एम डूइंग माय आई एम currently in my graduation pursuing BCom. My major subjects are accounting, economics, and my minor subjects are English and psychology, right? So ऐसे करके आप थोड़ा सा extend, क्योंकि फ्रेशर के पास ज्यादा कुछ बोलने को नहीं है, तो उनको अपनी स्पीच थोड़ी सी एक्सटेंड करनी पड़ेगी इंट्रोडक्शन के लिए. देन यू कैन टॉक अबाउट योर हॉबीज. Okay, now what do you like to do, or you can also talk about your achievements or any kind of indulgences which you have done in your graduation. Basically, I have taken part in many competitions when I was in my graduation, ठीक है, और I am really fond of dancing and I have taken part in many competitions. I have also won many awards in dancing, right? I take professional coaching from XYZ person and I'm learning कोई भी form of dance, like I am learning Bharatnatyam, I am learning jazz, ठीक है. I want to make my career in dancing, or I want to just pursue this as my passion, right? So that is how you can extend your introduction. जब आपके पास work experience बोलने को नहीं है, तो आप ये सारी चीजें बोल सकते हो step by step, ठीक है. Once you are done with your hobbies also, तो hobbies जब आप बताते हो, तो ज्यादातर लोग I love traveling, I am a big foodie, ठीक है. तो इससे आपकी हॉबीज तो ओके. सो जिसने ये बोला था कि आई लव ट्रैवलिंग, ठीक है, तो आप इसको बोल सकते हो, वेल आई रियली लव ट्रैवलिंग. रिसेंटली आई डिड अ ट्रिप टू मनाली, ठीक है, एंड आई
These all travel guys love travel. They all hear hostess, want to be hostess. They all love travel.
तो सबको ट्रैवलिंग पसंद है, ऑफ कोर्स, राइट. सो आप लोग बोल सकते हो कि वेल ट्रैवलिंग गिव्स मी द पीस ऑफ माइंड एंड द रिलैक्सेशन. ट्रैवलिंग आल्सो हेल्प्स मी टू एक्सप्लोर थिंग्स, राइट. जब आप ट्रैवल करते हो तो आप बहुत सारे लोगों से मिलते हो, जगह जाते हो, एक्सप्लोर करते हो, तो ये सारी चीजें अगर आप बताओगे तो वो और भी ज्यादा इंप्रेसिव लगेगा, राइट. सो वेल आई लव ट्रैवलिंग, तो थोड़ा सा इसमें एक्सप्रेशन भी लाने की जरूरत है. अगर आप सिंपल बोलोगे आई लव ट्रैवलिंग, आई गो देयर, आई गो हियर, ऐसे अगर आप बोलोगे तो कनेक्शन नहीं बैठेगा. यू हैव टू पुट अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सप्रेशंस व्हेन यू स्पीक, राइट. सो दैट इज व्हाट क्रिएट्स अ हिंड्रेंस जब आप कम्युनिकेशन करना चाहते हो किसी के साथ, ठीक है. तो आप उसको ऐसे बोल सकते हो. अगर आप बहुत फूडी हो तो आप कैसे बोलोगे, वेल आई एम अ बिग फूडी and I'm a big fan of South Indian food. My favorite cuisine is XYZ. कुछ भी cuisine आपका favorite हो सकता है. अगर आपका cuisine favorite नहीं है, अगर आपको cuisine नहीं समझ आता कि क्या होता है, South Indian, North Indian, Mexican, Continental, ये सारे cuisines होते हैं, ठीक है. But इसके अंदर अगर आपको dishes के नाम लेने तो आप बोलोगे, well I really relish eating butter chicken or eating pasta, ठीक है, कुछ भी ऐसा बोल सकते हो. तो the relish word is जब आप बहुत ज्यादा किसी चीज को खाना पसंद करते हो. सबके लाइफ में एक ना एक फेवरेट डिश जरूर है, ठीक है. और अगर आप बहुत ज्यादा फास्ट फूड खाते हो, आपको बहुत पसंद है बर्गर, पिज्जा, सो यू कैन से दैट, वेल यू कैन से दैट आई एम एन एडिक्ट ऑफ फास्ट फूड, ठीक है.
Let's ask Reema what are their favorite foods.
Yes, we can ask what are their favorite food. So one by one, can you please tell me your favorite food? What do you like to eat? Let's
And
start
what
with
you enjoy, yeah, veg, non-veg, what you like, and give us some idea also because I'm a foodie, Rima foodie, and I wanted to hear from you if there's any special food you have explored as of now. Yes,
correct.
Shubhangi, what is your favorite food?
Sir, I love pizza.
Pizza. Oh wow.
So you can
Okay.
say I relish eating pizza. Okay.
Okay.
I really love the pizzas, and my favorite pizza has to be the cheese margarita. Okay. So when you say something that you really love, you try to elaborate it a little bit more. Okay. So उसमें अगर आप बोलोगे कि I love pizzas, there are many variety of pizzas. So you can simply say I love eating pizzas, and my favorite one has to be the cheese margarita. Okay. So that is how it will be more impressive rather than just saying one
Which,
line.
yeah. Which pizza you like? Man, the Pizza Hut, Domino's, and there is new box set company. Which one you like? And you like with you prefer drinks also? How do you like? How do you enjoy pizza?
Sir, I love to eat pizza alone. I don't love most of the drinks. No,
Yes,
I
most
don't.
of us don't want to share our pizzas.
Okay, you don't share a pizza? Perfect, perfect. Yes, Prachi, what's your favorite food apart from the travel? I'm sure you would be loving travel because you are in this industry. What's your favorite food? Prachi Gupta, you there?
Can you hear me now? Actually, there is hello.
Say
Can
it
you hear
again.
me
Go
now?
ahead.
There is network issues actually.
No
I
problem.
can
Tell me
hear
your
you.
food.
I love to eat white sauce pasta because uh, this is very smoothie to eat, and when I want to eat, I prepare it at home, and then I eat.
Okay. So you can just correct the statements by saying, Prachi, that I love eating pasta, especially the white sauce pasta. It
Okay.
is really nice and flavorful. And whenever I crave for pastas, I prefer homemade pastas over market pastas. Okay. So,
Okay.
so that will be a good line sentence, right? So that is
Yes,
how
Yeah.
समझ आया?
true, true.
Always observe and then इसको याद कर लेना जो भी मैं बोल रही हूँ. Observation is really important, guys. Okay. Let's
Yes.
ask Sweetie. Sweetie,
Yes,
आपका
guys. And one more suggestion, guys. Whenever you wanted to learn English and wanted to improve it, always copy the phrases from others, whether it's a teacher, mentor, your senior, or the colleague, or from the movies, newspapers, anywhere in the world. If you like, see that phrase is good and you can implement in your life, copy that phrase. But just not only copy, understand the thorough meanings about it while doing your own research. If you start copying the phrase and understand these things, this will really help you, to be a good speaker, and this will give you the more power to you to speak because phrases helps a lot. They make another sentence, they create impression also, and it gives you the chance. Okay, wow, wonderful, and it allows you to chance to give you the good speaking language also. So after Prachi, it's Sanjana turn. Sanjana, tell us your favorite food, please.
Hello.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm
Yes.
audible.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So if you talk about my favorite food, so I love Italian pasta with white sauce. It's quite very yummy to eat and it's delicious. So I love Italian pasta, even though I love pizzas to eat. And if you talk about Indian favorite dish of mine, so rajma and chawal like just make my day to eat it with full tummy. So it's awesome.
Oh wow, they all are Italian
Very
food,
nice.
Rima.
Yes.
Yeah,
All
but
the
even though
people
I
these
love,
days love it.
yeah, even though, but I love Indian dish also, that is rajma. So it makes my day if I do.
Yep, true, true. Go
Right.
ahead.
Very nice. All right. Let's ask Mona. Manisha, right?
Yep.
Manisha.
Yes, ma'am. Even I love to eat pizza,
Wow, perfect.
and ice cream too. After every food, I
Okay.
eat ice cream.
Okay. What is your
Chocolate.
And
favorite flavor?
Yes, sir.
don't
What is your
forget that you
favorite
guys
flavor?
are going for air hostess.
Yeah. After every food, I used to eat ice cream, chocolate ice cream.
And then next morning you used to run a lot also, yeah?
No,
Be careful because there is no
no.
exercise. calorie, because in this airlines industry they even measure weight also. Rima, I hope you're right, right? I'm sure. So
Yeah,
in the
we
lockdown we
will.
are taking, yeah. So the more ice cream, the more calorie, the more running steps you need to increase.
Yeah.
Yep, yes, yes. And we have Sweetie now. Sweetie, what's your favorite food? Also, guys, make your Zoom account with your name just to avoid confusion. If you go in any other webinar, this will help you. No short names, no nickname, only your proper professional name. Okay? Right, yep. SK, it's Sweetie Kumari. Sweetie Kumari, what's your favorite food? आपका favorite खाना क्या है? What do you
Yes,
like? Chicken,
yes.
mutton, or the
I
pasta,
love
pizza?
I
You
love
love?
different types of food. The, make itself, just like ice cream, cakes, and pizza at all.
Okay, you love ice cream, you love
Okay.
pizza. So these all the everybody is the same port, Rima. They all love pizza first, then the ice cream.
Yeah, right. So see, the difference which you can make while speaking, a very normal thing is that framing your sentences carefully. बहुत ही छोटी सी चीज है, अगर कोई आपसे पूछता है what do you like to eat, okay, so you have to speak about it, but very छोटा सा बोलना है और बहुत ही impressive बोलना है, right? तो अपने अगर sentences आप properly choose करोगे, अगर आप ये बोल के छोड़ दोगे well I love eating pizzas, ठीक है, तो करेक्ट है, इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया पर उसमें कोई इंप्रेशन नहीं बनाया, राइट? तो अगर आप उसमें थोड़ा सा और ऐड कर दोगे कि वेल आई लव ईटिंग पिज्जाज एंड आल्सो आई एम वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ ईटिंग पास्ताज एंड आई हैव टू से दैट व्हाइट सॉस पास्ता इज माय फेवरेट वन, ओके, सो दैट इज हाउ यू फ्रेम योर सेंटेंसेस. ये सारी चीजें आपको सीखनी पड़ेंगी, ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें आपको सीखनी है. ऑल्सो जब आप इंट्रोड्यूस करते हो तो चलो फेवरेट ये सारी हॉबीज में आ जाती है, राइट? लास्ट थिंग इज, बहुत सारे लोग ना बता नहीं पाते व्हाट आर योर स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड व्हाट आर योर वीकनेसेस, और बहुत बारी ऐसा पूछा जाता है कि व्हाट आर योर स्ट्रेंथ्स, तो उनको पता नहीं होता है कि बोलना क्या है. सो डू यू कैन एनीबडी टेल मी, लाइक कैन एनीबडी आंसर मी दिस इफ आई आस्क यू? तो ज्यादातर स्ट्रेंथ्स के लिए लोगों को लगता है कि समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या बोलूं, कि ओके आई नो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल. बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे जवाब देते हैं, आई नो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल, माय स्ट्रेंथ इज दैट आई कैन वर्क फॉर लॉन्गर आवर्स, ठीक है. ये सारी चीजें आपकी स्ट्रेंथ्स में नहीं काउंट होती है. स्ट्रेंथ इज समथिंग व्हिच एक्चुअली हेल्प्स यू एज वेल एज दी कंपनी. ज्यादातर ये वाला क्वेश्चन जब पूछा जाता है जब आप इंटरव्यूज में जाते हो, राइट? तो जनरली फ्रेंड्स के साथ कोई नहीं पूछता कि व्हाट आर योर स्ट्रेंथ्स, या कभी स्ट्रेंजर को इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहे हो तो आपको स्ट्रेंथ्स बताने की जरूरत नहीं है नॉर्मली. पर जब आप इंटरव्यू में हो, किसी प्रोफेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म में हो, तब आप बता सकते हो, राइट? तो स्ट्रेंथ्स कैन बी लाइक यू आर अ वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग पर्सन, यू आर वेरी पेशेंट, ओके, you are a people person, you are social, okay, you feel very happy to talk to people, you are a very nice entertainer, okay, or maybe you are a good public speaker. These are your strengths, okay. You never say that I am good at my work, I know how to create softwares, I am good at Microsoft Excel. ये वाली सारी चीजें आपकी स्ट्रेंथ्स नहीं होती है. स्ट्रेंथ्स आर समथिंग योर क्वालिटीज, ओके. सो जो लोग पेशेंट होते हैं वो लोग गुड लिसनर्स भी होते हैं, राइट? सो यू कैन से दैट वेल आई एम वेरी पेशेंट एंड आई एम अ वेरी गुड लिसनर, okay. So that is how you can elaborate your strengths. People who are really nice at speaking. Yes, Akhilesh.
Yeah, I want to add very important point in this. That's why I disturbed you. So when you talk about the strength, the organization, see, you make clear the interview in terms of you have a communication goal, right? You're going for the interview, you have a better communication, you have a better product knowledge, and you have good physical appearance also. So all setup is done. Now the another test company is doing, the multinational companies especially, they do your attitude. They will not ask you any question, but they will judge you. So basically they understand the energy and the clarity, the vision and mission. Are you matching with the vision and mission of the company or not? So before you go for the company, few things you need to do a thorough research about the company. What are the vision and mission about the company? They check the clarity and the energy in you apart from the skills. See, you may have a very intelligent person, but you may be rude also. You may have person, but you may be very lazy person also. So they check the entire thing. So always they check the clarity. Okay, that person is telling whether that person is having the clarity is not, whether both the statements are matching or not, whether you are matching with the company's mission, right? They're looking somebody who can help in the product and sales and things. However, your mission is not matching. So these things you need to take care of this, that the strength is always about related to the positivity, about the attitude, which is matching from the company's vision and mission. That you will be an asset for the company, whether you will be asset for the company or you're just a good worker, you have the qualification, but you will not be able. So they will prefer a less qualified. Always remember, they may hire a less qualified, but they will not hire you well qualified or overqualified if they do not match the company's vision and mission. So make sure you should have, show the kind of, gratitude in towards the interviewer panel and everything, the eye contact and everything. So they are very smart people. Okay, they meet hundred of people every day. They can judge you in the first impression. The moment you open mouth, they can judge you. So everything is okay. You looking well, you dressed up, you groomed up, you speaking good, but there are more. If you have a dream to work in the multinational organization, there are more to learn you. So your vision and mission should match it. The clarity is very important. That is why Rima is trying to tell you that you should show the positive strength, like workaholic, your positive, your attitude. These are the things that whatever the other quality you have apart from your qualification. You are a good in HTML, you are a good communicator, that is okay. But what your strength, that how would you take to the company to the next level? Yes, Rima, that's it.
Yeah. So basically, introduction may though you can speak a lot of things, and some message generally popped up. I don't know. Okay.
No.
So introduction can be of different, situations. Like if you are in an interview, then you have to give more elaborative introduction. But if you are talking to someone for the first time, like you are trying to make friends, right? So you don't tell them in a very speech format. You take forward your introduction in a conversation manner. Like आपने अगर एक चीज बोली तो उससे भी वही चीज दोबारा पूछो. जैसे कि आप बोलोगे, hey, my name is Rima, what's your name? So अगला बंदा बोलेगा कि well, my name is Prachi. तो आप बोलोगे, hi Prachi, nice to meet you. So where do you work? Well, वो आगे से बोलेगी, well, I work in HCL. तो आप बोलोगे, oh, that's nice, I am working with Tech Mahindra. Okay, so ऐसे करके आप कॉन्वर्सेशन आगे करोगे और इसी चक्कर में आप क्या कर रहे हो, एक दूसरे के साथ इंट्रोडक्शन कर रहे हो. तो वहां पे जब आप किसी से कॉन्वर्सेशन कर रहे हो ना, तो इंटरव्यू में क्या होता है, आपको एक टाइम दे दिया जाता है कि अब आप अपने बारे में बोलो. ठीक है, एक बारी में सब कुछ बोल दो, फिर हम पूछेंगे. वो क्वेश्चन आंसर होता है. पर जब आप किसी के साथ कॉन्वर्सेशन कर रहे हो, वो क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं होता. वो होता है कि वी आर गेटिंग टू नो ईच अदर बेटर, राइट? सो इन दैट केस यू हैव टू ऑलवेज अटैच अ क्वेश्चन टू योर आंसर. ठीक है, अगर आपसे बोलता है कि कोई, hey, where do you work? तो आप अगर बोलते हो कि well, I work in Tech Mahindra and I'm working as a senior analyst. What about you? Okay, so क्योंकि आपको भी उसके बारे में नहीं पता, तो आप क्वेश्चन में ये नहीं पूछोगे where do you work? आप उससे पूछो what about you? Okay, so अगला बंदा भी बोलेगा well, I am also working with XYZ company as XYZ, right? तो अब जैसे उसने आंसर कर दिया, तो आप एक एक्सप्रेशन दोगे. ठीक है, the expression has to be, oh, that's interesting, oh, or oh, amazing, great, nice. कुछ भी ऐसा कोई भी एक expression दे सकते हो. And again start asking another question. So where do you live? Or where are you coming from? Right? That is how you do your conversations, and you are actually giving your introduction and taking their introductions as well. Okay? So there are different kind of introductions, guys. You need to understand कि हमें introduction करना कैसे है. You need to analyze the situation and accordingly आपको introduction देना है. Interview के लिए अलग preparation होती है, कॉन्वर्सेशंस के लिए अलग प्रिपरेशंस होती हैं. ये सारी चीजें आप अगर क्लास में आओगे तो आप लोगों को ये सारी चीजें भी सिखाएंगे. ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें सीखने को मिलेंगी. एंड आई मस्ट से दैट यू शुड नो ऑल दीज सिचुएशंस, बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोगों को पता ही नहीं है. उनको एक ही तरह का इंटरव्यू पता है जो कि इंट्रोडक्शन हम इंटरव्यू में देते हैं, राइट? एक ही तरह का इंट्रोडक्शन पता है, तो बाकी तरीके के इंट्रोडक्शंस कैसे देने हैं वो तो पता नहीं है, राइट? सो ये सारे नॉलेज भी होनी चाहिए. वंस यू गेन नॉलेज यू विल डेफिनेटली have confidence. Okay,
yes,
so
yes.
that's all session today from my side.
Yep, Rima, I'll take the lead now. Rima, you can take break, and thank you so much for your time. It's wonderful talking to you. Yeah, and we'll have a call tomorrow regarding the other part. You take rest now. You're speaking since long, so bye-bye. You have a pleasant evening. All right. So, yep. Hi guys. Yep. Thanks. Okay. Hi, Prachi, Shubhangi, Sanjana, and Mona, Manisha, sorry, and Sweetie. I would like to talk to you quickly. Guys, tell me, like, what is your question in terms of when you wanted to go for the airlines interviews and in the hotels, hospitality industry? See, I could understand that few people have a good English, and just like Sanjana and Manisha, you okay? It's fine. The English is fine. So, if you wanted to go for the airlines, you had to need few more things, which is customer service skills, soft skills, and voice and accent skills. Okay, so if you add these few things in your profile and your personality, your chances of selection in this aviation and hospitality industry will definitely increase. Okay, so learn a good words, learn a voice and accent. Your accent should be very elegant, so that when you talk to because the airlines industry and hospitality aviation industry is all about hosting the people. Okay, you host the people, they come from the different countries, they have a different accent. So if you have a good accent, if you have a good English, you will be able to impress your company on behalf of your company. And when your company is happy, your client is happy, then of course you will bring up more business. So this industry is all about the customer experience. If you have a good customer experience, then this industry will be very happy. So that is why these people basically look the quality. Apart from the personality, you always need to maintain the personality. There is no doubt about it. Maintain your weight, maintain your physical appearance, and everything. Go for run, exercise, very important for you guys. Go for a workout, running, stamina, and everything is very important, because there will be different shifts and all. So this is also one side apart from the communication. For the improving the communication, listening, reading, writing, and speaking, there are 4 parts. In all the 4 parts, you need to work very hard, but especially for the people who are going for the airlines aviation industry, the speaking part is very important. Until unless you become a manager, then the writing part is very important. So now the speaking part is very important. The listening part is very important. You should be very patient. You should have very patience. And to listen to the customers, you should use a good words. The customer service skills, please learn online or from any platform. Soft skills, very important. Your behavior is very important, because you need to understand the mind psychology of the customers, people psychology. They may give awkward gesture and all. You need to ignore everything just to focus on your work. So there are a lot of things you need to learn as a when you. Apart from English is very important. For the improving the English, I would suggest you do every day 1 or 2 hour practice, just like read a lot of books, watch a lot of new movies. The movies which is not only for the entertainment, movies you should watch which gives the knowledge also, that what is happening in the world. Okay, so those movies is very important, because otherwise if you all unnecessary movies, what would you get in return? You're giving money, but what are you getting any return? No. So try and watch those movies wherein you get some return also. So that is very important if you want to grow in life. Also, apart from that, copy the phrases from the movies or the Netflix series, whatever is going. If you like any phrase, copy that and translate it. Okay, that's wonderful. I would like to use it. So these, by which you will be able to create a environment nearby you. So you need to create a environment, the surroundings everywhere, so that you can speak in English with the people. So how would you do that? You need to create with yourself. Actually, you need to start within yourself, like reading the books, reading the newspapers, watching the English news channels, watching the English movies, which is knowledge sharing. Watch all the knowledge sharing channels also, and the copy the phrases, how they're speaking. If you have a good English like Sanjana and Aditi and Subhangi also, you can try the international channels. Okay, you can also make a balance, a few English Hindi channels and few international channels. Okay, see how what's all happening on the international channel. There are a lot of talk shows, there are a lot of podcasts and Joe's Talks, and apart from the StatX is a wonderful platform. Try and follow international leaders, the authors. You can follow all the motivational speakers. Shubhangi, you want to be a public speaker, you should follow Tony Robinson, you should follow Jay Shetty, and you should follow the CEO and the big lady of the Facebook CEO, I forgot the name. And there are a lot of other people also. You need to follow these people. The talk show. The talk show. If you watch the talk show, the people host, you will be able to increase your the English communication. So watch a lot of talk shows, especially in the English. Okay, and the talk show in India, you will not see a lot of talk show in India happening in English. So try and on the Netflix or on the YouTube, you will see easily on the YouTube. So watch a lot of talk shows. Once you will watch every day these things, you will automatically start listening in English in your ear. Trust me, it happens. Okay, so either you are from any board, whether Hindi board, English medium board, or the regional language board, do not worry. Create an environment nearby you. How would you create an environment? By yourself, by watching everything in English. Then your ear automatically will start speaking in English. Okay, and a few things. If you see that this is requirement, just like a grammar is the basic thing, then you can buy books and online also. And if you join a platform will help you to do a practice, because platform is also necessary, because until unless you do not have a mentor, right, then how would you improve it? Today you had a 1.5 hour session. If you do every day session for 1 hour or some time, you will automatically improve, right? So the platform is also important, especially for you people, because you are a beginner. You are a 20 years old, 21 years old, 22, 18, and 25. So below 25 people need exposure. Below 25 people need a platform so that they can learn from others. Okay, so it's very important for you to learn from others, because you just started your life. So learn as much as possible. And Subhangi, for you, if you wanted to be a good public speaker, start watching a lot of talk shows, increase the vocabulary, and read a lot of books, and do debate on any platform. Okay, so once you start doing debate on any platform for 1 hour on different topics, group activities, if you do, you will play a role like just like a customer and the shopkeeper, then air hostess and the flight customer, or in the retail shop, or manager, or the trainee, or the HR. These are the play roles. So if you start playing these roles, so automatically you will have a more powerful English. Okay. And Prachi, for you also, you are in this event management line. It's very important for you. In the event management, it's such a line which is glamorous, and you will be meeting a lot of people who always speak in English, wonderful personality. So if you improve your English, the chances of getting a good job in the multinational company will definitely increase. So apart from the personality, you read a lot of books and do a lot of practice, watch a lot of talk show, podcasts, and all these new channels, and join any platform wherein you can find any mentor, and that mentor will definitely help you to eliminate the fears, maybe some pronunciation, maybe sentence frame, and maybe some will allow you to give you the more, the guidance. This is how you should talk, this is how you should speak. So the soft skills, customer service skills, voice and accent skills, these all skills, and that NLP, neuro linguistic program, that how to read others' mind, these are all things are the part of the communication. So once you will become a good leader, you should have these qualities. And Sweetie just started. You should also, because you need to work a lot, you need to work hard, because you just started from the Hindi medium board. So don't worry. Your Nick friend and Nikita and other people referred you, I guess. So they are going to join us. You can join with them. And Rima is one of our trainer. Rima is a British Council certified IELTS trainer. We have Asima Thapar. She is also British Council certified. We have all the people who are certified from international institutions. All right. Somebody is asking, sir, what to do in 3 months? Please stop me. Ellen, yes. Ellen talk show, yes. That Ellen is a very popular talk show. You can just follow her, and she's brilliant. Okay, and she's brilliant, and I mean, she has all the awards. When you talk about even the Kapil Sharma show, they have copied, actually, to be very honest. If you see Ellen show, they all have copied. This lady is wonderful, actually. So if you watch the Ellen Ellen shows, and you will be able to improve. And a lot of other people copied actually her show in India also. So you can watch her shows, you will see the activities, and even Kapil Sharma is copying her show. And a lot of activity he started doing, because this was Ellen actually shows, who they used to introduce the celeb, and then they talk to the fun and all. So that is happening in Hindi, this comedy poor thing. So now you can watch this Ellen, and apart from the Ellen show, you will have other shows also, wherein you will see entrepreneurs are coming, wherein see the billionaire people are saying, people like, you can watch the interviews or Elon Musk, you can watch Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, and all these people. These talk show, you will definitely see like Larry King and Tony Robinson, which I follow, and you can see a lot of other people also. You can also watch, read, and see videos of Dale Carnegie, and he is one of the very influenced person who wrote the book in 1935, in even 2020 and in 2000 this year also people are copying their their tips and techniques which they provided. So you all can just make a habit that apart from whatever you're doing in life, you should make a habit that if you watch these podcast shows, apart from the self practice is very important. Just watching is not enough. If you join a platform, that will help you, and apart from that, if you do a self practice, that will also help. All right, Shruti, so join and do a lot of readings. And Manisha, Shubhangi, Prachi, before we move ahead, do you have any question? And if you go for airlines, guys, work hard on your communication skills and start giving a lot of interviews. In case you don't get a chance in airlines, join a travel company also, because it's a similar work. There you will get some experience like Make My Trip, Travel Triangle. Nowadays, it's not a good time for airlines and aviation industry, but very soon there will be a good time for hotel airlines, because the business is down, but this business will come up. This business will definitely rise very soon. So you should make yourself ratings, gets over this coronavirus, so that you can opt that opportunity. So for you, it's very important. Somebody is asking, describe me celeb care. Are you syllables or what? You can unmute us, sweetie, and then you can ask me. What is this? You asking syllable of voice and accent syllables? Sweetie, you can unmute your question. I am not able to understand your question.
Syllabus बोलने वाली थी मैं.
Oh, you're saying syllabus. I thought syllable. Okay, syllable एक voice and accent में जब हम बोलने की एक techniques होती है जिसमें हम fumbles करते हैं उसको syllable बोलते हैं, but syllabus की बात कर रही हो. Syllabus के लिए आपको कल call आएगा from the Margaret Samuel, she is our education counselor. हमारे different batch होते हैं guys. Beginner का batch अलग होता है, intermediate का batch अलग होता है, advanced का batch अलग होता है, और IELTS those who wanted to go abroad उनका batch अलग होता है, business English का batch अलग होता है. So all the batches are different. Beginner, intermediate और advanced हमने 3 कैटेगरी, और IELTS 4 कैटेगरी में डिवाइड किया हुआ है. और सारे 4 to 5 क्लासेस इन वीक होते हैं जूम पे, और लाइव टीचिंग होती है. जैसे अभी मैं आपके सामने हूँ ऐसे ही टीचिंग होती है. और आपको सैटरडे संडे, एक सैटरडे को पब्लिक स्पीकिंग होता है जहाँ पे ग्रुप डिस्कशन हम उसको बोलते हैं काइंड ऑफ. एंड वी डू वॉइस एंड एक्सेंट क्लासेस विच इज बाय आशिमा थापर. वो सैटरडे संडे में 2 आवर्स की क्लास होती है, और रेगुलर क्लास 1.5 आवर्स की होती है बाय रीमा, बाय सोफिया, एंड वी हैव गुरकीरत आल्सो, Arun Rabal. So these are the guys which we have on our platform. So ये इस तरह के syllabus हैं जिसमें हम सब कुछ कवर करते हैं, like grammar और advanced level और intermediate को grammar की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, तो उनके लिए normal spoken English, group discussion, activities, talking a lot, और उनको अपना experience share करते हैं trainers, और रोज के task देते हैं. Then these are the things. Yeah, so you'll get a call tomorrow by Margaret, and I hope you like the session. It's a small request to write few reviews on the WhatsApp group to encourage others, so that they should come here, because they will be thinking it's a very normal thing, it's not useful. So I would request you to drop few messages on the WhatsApp group that you liked it, and I will be sending you the our Facebook and Google reviews link. If you like the session, please support us so that we can increase to the large audience. All right, guys, that would be all today, and I thank you for your time that you joined us. We will again connect in future. In case you need any help, you have a WhatsApp group, drop me a text or to the admin over there, and any issues, feel free to connect. All right, I hope you liked today this session, and thank you so much for your time. You have a wonderful, pleasant evening. Bye, guys. Take care of yourself. Bye. You can disconnect. Bye.